Sure.
So assist in the inspection of the chain locker. Okay, so inspection of the chain locker is normally annually or as per your SMS. Okay, SMS means shipboard management manual planned maintenance system. So the chain locker is having a manhole. Some vessel is having a closed manhole, some vessel is having a door. Okay, so you have to just open it. When you open it, inside you can see the complete chain locker. Okay, you must have seen the well. Okay, same like a well, our chain locker is there, same like a well. Okay, so what you have to check, you have to check the condition of the bulkhead, the chain layout is all good or not, and the water is and mud is accumulated or not, that all. And you have the checklist in your vessel for the enclosed space permit. Anytime you are going for a chain locker inspection, you have to follow the safety procedures, follow the permit, and follow your company checklist. Okay, thank you.